Hi, I'm Scott Scheirey from PTP. Are your bioinformatics pipelines slow, inefficient, or do they keep crashing? As a computational biologist or bioinformatician, you're working on different workflows to take data from your different sequencers like PacBio, Illumina, 10x Genomics, or Vizgen, and all of this data is being processed from its raw format from the instrument to its converted format by your bioinformatics pipelines. You may have a pipeline that works, it works most of the time, or it used to work, but it took hours, if not days, to run. You're questioning whether or not these pipelines could be faster, could they be more reliable? Could you automate the entire process from data generation to your pipeline to its stored format and analysis? And you need to increase the speed and efficiency to scale your pipelines. Many times, this is the time when you're looking to achieve your next round of funding, or you're going into clinical trials, or just validating your research so your company can move forward. There are ways that you can split up your pipelines into parallel processes and run them simultaneously within AWS. I think what happens a lot of the time is that data scientists at biotech organizations are focused on really the science of what they're building, but AWS releases thousands of new features every year, and it's hard to keep track of which ones are going to be the best for their pipelines. There's Nextflow or Airflow, for example, and those can be used to facilitate your homegrown pipelines or pipelines that you've built with various tools. And those can be optimized using AWS Batch, Lambda scripts, a lot of AWS technologies like EC2 instances and auto scaling, and ultimately you can automate the whole process. So this can be autonomous, and you can ultimately have your instrument generate data, go into a folder, go through your pipeline, and live where it needs to live. And this isn't just for human readable data that you're looking to analyze via visualizations, but it could also be for JSON files. For example, it's illustrating gene expression with gene labels, and you need this to power your AI and machine learning models in SageMaker, but you're looking for it to be drag and drop. I've seen companies reduce their processing time by over 70% by changing their linear process of their pipelines using EC2 instances to a parallel process, which gets the data to their scientists much quicker and data to analysis. But counterintuitively, it also can reduce your cost overall. Your instances are running very quickly, all in parallel, and then terminating. So scientists have data quicker, but then they also don't have all this data that is costing them money because it's taking hours or days to run. If you're interested in learning more, check out PTP on AWS Marketplace and our Cloud Ops for Life Science Startups.